The sum of two numbers is 45. The difference of their squares is 675. Find the number. Okay, let's assume the numbers to be x and y. So from the first sentence, we have the equation as x plus y is equal to 45. From the second equation, we can say, assuming x to be the bigger number, we can have x square minus y square as 675. Now, x square minus y square, we can factor it out as x plus y into x minus y. Now, we can substitute the value of x plus y as 45. So, you will get x minus y as 675 upon 45, which comes out as 15. So now we can easily write down the two equations, x plus y as 45 and x minus y as 50. If we add both the equations, y gets cancelled out. We have 2x is equal to 60. Therefore, x equal to 30. And if we substitute x equal to 30 in either of the equations, you will get y is equal to 50. So the numbers are 30 and 50, or 15 and 30. Order doesn't matter. So option B.